Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm very happy that you are in my channel at the moment watching this video. Please continue to watch this amazing dessert. It's very easy to do and it tastes absolutely delicious. So first things we're gonna do is take the lotus biscuit and blend it on the blender or the mixer. We need to make it to a powder. So I use 2 packs. After that, we're gonna take like 200 ml of milk, 250 ml of milk, and on the fire, put it on the fire in a medium heat. We're gonna add to it 2 big spoons of corn flour, and keep mixing. And I'm gonna add the lotus cream or butter. I added about three spoons. You can add to taste. And that's it. Just keep mixing and keep stirring until it becomes thick. So straight away in my cups, I'm gonna add it to half. So 250 ml of milk made me 6 cups. And we're gonna leave them to cool down before we put them in the fridge. So the last thing we need to do is for the cream. I have here 300 grams of double cream, pinch of salt, and I'm gonna add 2 big spoons of the lotus butter. And just mix it. As you can see, very easy to do quickly and absolutely delicious. So when the cream, the first layer, it's hard enough, so if we put some biscuit on top of it, like two teaspoons of biscuit, and then lastly we add the cream. Sprinkle it with some leftover biscuit. That we made to powder, and then just one add biscuits to decorate on top. And there we have it. Very easy and delicious. Your kids are gonna love this. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you very soon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.